Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be making a basic lightsaber in Eevee for Blender that, looks like this. Very simple handle, simple blade, really just here to show the concept, not really the modeling process itself. Okay, so we're going to hide this and let's get started. There we go. Alright, so to start out, let's add a cylinder. It's going to be our handle. Shoot. There we go. This is going to just our regular view mode. Cool. Now, let's grab the top thing, duplicate that face, S, Shift C, so you scale it on everything except the Z axis. P, separate by selection. Now this thing, use the face, I'm going to extrude. And, it's really up to you how long you want to make the blade. We're gonna... Alright, this looks good to me. It might be a little too long, but, whatever. Now we're going to bevel this top edge to kind of give it like a rounder look. You can kind of choose in whatever segments you want. There you go, just like so. You shade smooth. Alright, let's remember to turn on auto smooth. There we go. Just one, shade that smooth as well. Auto smooth it. Now in the shading tab, we're going to create a new material. We call this blade. And let's say, set the base color. It can really be whatever you want. Actually, not the base color, the emission color. Bring us up here. Let's say I want to make it green. Okay. And then we're going to set the emission strength to about, there we go. Man, maybe that's too much. Let's try 50. And it's really up to you, like how bright you want this blade to be. And then here, we're going to create a new material. I'm just going to call this handle. And we're going to set the metallic to 1, because most blades, most blades have metal handles. Can even add a light. So that way we can see our handle. Just go over here. Just make sure it's assigned to it. There we go. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, one last thing. Let's take that, Control P to parent it. That way we can rotate this, and it rotates the whole thing. So yeah, thanks for watching.